Hi guys! Today we'll recover a deleted post on Facebook. If your post is still in the recycle bin, you can restore it in just a few simple steps. After unlocking your phone, open the Facebook app. Tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Your Activity section, then tap Activity Log. This section contains a history of your Facebook activity, including posts you've deleted. Open the recycle bin to view posts that have been deleted but are still available for recovery. If your deleted post appears here, you can restore it before it's permanently removed. Find the post you want to restore, then tap the three dots beside it. A menu with different options will appear for that post. Select Restore to Profile, then confirm by tapping Restore. Your deleted post will be restored to your Facebook profile if it's still available in the recycle bin. And that's how you can easily recover a deleted post on Facebook step by step. Once completed, your post will be restored to your profile if it hasn't been permanently deleted. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.